don't you? Okay. You want to bite a cereal, bud? What do you think? You want some cereal? Mmm. Cereal's good. Yeah. Is that good? Mmm. Yeah. You like cereal and milk, bud? Do ya? Want some more? Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Miles, what is it? What do you hear? Somebody playing music? Say, it's a nice day and we have the screen door open. Yeah. Here we go. Mmm. Yum, yum. Mm. Is that good? Yeah. Want some more? Want some more, Miles? No? You done? Are you full? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. There we go. Yeah. Cereal's good. Big boys get to eat cereal. Right? Only big boys? Yeah, not little babies. Yeah. Are you a big boy, Miles? You are? Miles, what did doggy say? Miles, what did doggy say? Did they say, woof, 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 woof? Is that what doggies say? Do you say that to the doggy? Tell us what the doggy says. Oh, he doesn't say that. Really? Tell me all about it. You want some? Are you getting full? Are you getting full, buddy? No, one more.